Hey Sweet Lifers, welcome to episode 5 of Quick Houseplant Pest Cheat Sheets. And today we're going to talk about scale insects. It's going to be a fun one because we're going to look at bumps that you might find on your petioles that are actually bugs. So how we're going to identify them. They're small brown, tan, gray, or white bumps, depending on the species, attached to stems and leaves. Armored scale has a protective hard cover, and soft scale is usually smoother and produces a sticky honeydew type residue on the leaf. The young crawler stage is tiny, mobile, and easy to treat. So it's the adults that are the ones that just have that shell on them that you have to get, and it's hard to get rid of them. What they do to your plant. Scale insects drain sap from your plants. You're going to look for yellowing and weak growth, leaf drop and branch dieback. You're going to look for that honeydew residue from soft scale, and then because of that honeydew, you can get black sooty mold growing on the plant. Now, their favorite houseplants, their frequent targets include ficus, schefflera, citrus, palms, orchids, hoyas, and dracaena. And one tiny note. Always check the woody stems, not just the younger stems, and particularly look at the leaf joints. So where a leaf will come out of a node on a plant. They like the nooks and crannies. The best way to get rid of them. First, isolate the plant, and this is the fun part. You can use your fingernail or a Q-tip to scrape or wipe off the visible adults. So those are the immobile ones that look like bumps. You want to prune heavily infested parts and keep checking for new crawlers. There are beneficial insects, but they're often hard to get a hold of. But you can see their name here. And they're usually best suited to enclosed plant rooms or greenhouse style collections. So if your houseplant collection is just where you live, like in your living room and your bedroom, you aren't going to want to use these beneficials and you want to move to a chemical option. So horticultural oil or insecticidal soap, especially against crawlers. And this next one, you can use a systemic or a contact insecticide registered for scale on indoor ornamentals. Be careful with systemics because some countries have banned certain ones. And you're going to repeat only as directed as per the insecticide. The adult covering makes scale very difficult to reach. Save this before you mistake a scale infestation for weird-looking bark.